Thank you very much, Secretary Ernesto Perez. We now open the floor to questions.
No, electronic business one-stop shop. Yung hindi po talaga, wala talaga.
Today, kaya medyo na-late tayo dito
Oo,
sa ating
oo.
show.
Pero ako, para sa akin, para
Nabilanggo, pinaalam na namin kay Teniente. Ang alam ko, namatay siya sa isang sakit.
Mamsi, Papi, what is the meaning of this? Kagabi kasi.
Ngunit, hindi lang po tayo gumagawa ng mga pagkakataon at
na pakinggan, pero that's reality na mahal yung medisina because of the
Balance.
Ay, ganun. Pero, apa?
Fatima!
44-39 is the score ng ating bigating pakbakan ngayong linggo dito.
There's going to be a net fault challenge.
And one statistic that's not on the screen is they have out-rebounded.
kasalanan mo to, Paing. Baka napahamak na si Pati.
Ipa-finalize pa naman, pero pwede ka ba bukas?
Pupunta ako.
6 of 20 for Yokohama, who just haven't looked.
Kaya tuwan-tuwa po ako sa bata niya. Tapos po, pag may mga kailangan ako, handa.
Socks, alright? Especially me. I don't like wearing damn soggy socks. So what can...
Kita po ninyo ang napakalinis po nating tabing dagat, crystal clear na tubig.
Gamat ang mga babae ay may parehong panganahing anatomya, ang
Kaya ka nagalit?
Dapat lang, di ba? Susuko ko dahil lang doon. Mukhang wala talaga siyang pakialam sa akin.
So I'd like to pay for the person behind me. Okay, no problem.
Such a learning so much. I know now that I
that had largely been unscathed by the civil war until now have prompted widespread
Way before Bo Sanchez was born.
At talagang natuwa po kami. Sabi ko, ang galing. Hindi ko expected na first time ni Tito.
UFC debut, Paul, a lot of power when he puts it to work. He's a problem everywhere the fight.
Ha? Gumaga...
Really has so much influence in that region.
But you're saying, I guess,
Next leader. And imagine the intimidation and uncertainty. Toto, 658 winning numbers in any order. We have
Alad na pag-asa at ang pagpapakita ng kaluwalhati ating dakilang Diyos at tagapagligtas na
With God, nasa Diyos, kasama ng Diyos. Sasabihin mo walang
Left. And the last one here, mga kapaglaom, kining gitawa.
paglaom no nga kining mabalaan nato nga sakto ni ingog sa siyang masunod tanan. Well, kabulog ito mga kapaglaom nga daghan jud kayo.
Please be advised that the views and
I said, I saw Calvin Otara get a lot of rebounds. He already has 13, 12 of them.